I'm Abhijeet, working as Global Sales Director for Sales and Marketing for QUA Water Technologies. It gives me an immense pleasure today to witness this very important day in our journey. It's inauguration of our new manufacturing facility at Kurkum near Pune. This factory necessitated because of the faith our customers have shown in our products and our quality. This expansion was required to meet the global marketing demand, which is increasing every day. This facility is equipped with all the automated processes which minimizes the human intervention in the process, leading to reduce of wastage and improving the product water quality. Not only the innovative presses, but our new innovative products which we have launched recently, the NVQ RF reinforced hollow fiber membrane and QConnect will be manufactured at this facility. Our commitment towards environment, which improves the sustainability, is manifested in the ZLD technology which we have employed here. That enables us to recirculate almost 95 to 98% of water in our process, and we just take fresh water intake of 5 to 3%. It's really a dream realized for all of us. But as they say, it's dream realized just enable us to dream big. Thank you.